International Day of the World's Indigenous People celebrated at Jirikindeng. CM Debolal Gorosa inaugurates Village Approach Road and Dance Hall. Block Congress observes Quit India Divas in Bokajan. Hello and good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. I'm Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The International Day of the World's Indigenous People was celebrated on Sunday at Jirikindeng, Don Bosco. This day was observed to mark the worldwide celebration of the rights, history, culture and language of the indigenous people of the world. The event was held under the initiative of the Karbi Students Association, Jirikindeng branch. The event was attended by KSA advisor Sarsing Ingling, Karbi Lamet Amai, West Karbi Anglong Region Secretary Ram Singh Kathar, former VDC Chairman Borsing Ingti, Thausen, Pastor Real Hanse, among several others. During the event, the speakers laid emphasis on the need to protect the indigenous culture, language and traditions. They always urge upon the audiences to maintain integrity among several indigenous groups to survive together in this world.
Karbiang long ke don an ke bang menang sali.
In become a culture, in become a tradition, like kita lang menang bola, kita lang logo pe bang aku pe kai kita cini proje, oh Karbi kita istilah kai lo, kita istilah community lo, bagi cini.
Characteristic based on which communities can be termed as indigenous. Indigenous people को pusakhe masih people, pusakhe itu masih indigenous people. KCNC bangkai UN Working Group on Indigenous Population. Lalu definition.
Mohan Teron from Jirikindeng, Karbi Anglong Live. The North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council, CEM Debolal Gorosa on Saturday inaugurated a newly completed 4.6-kilometer village approach route at Dithur Kachari village, around 75 km from Haflong. The road was constructed under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana at cost of rupees 338.73 lakhs with an additional maintenance cost of rupees 27.20 lakhs for 5 years. Locals were greatly elated to see the completion of the route, which will remove their long-standing problem of communication. During the day, CM Gorosa also inaugurated Baiko, a dance hall cum community hall for the village and its neighboring villages. Later, he also inspected newly installed solar power street lights in the village. Addressing the gathering, CM urged upon the villagers to look after the community hall as their own house and advised the village youth to trim grasses whenever needed.
Pangka opening klay baj an area semkor utu ilining semkor area urabo baiku magin maika ilining opening klay la iba khazalai ka uran rajirabo iran bo khazalai hindong horala nislar bailai nang janai duko
jauba singnya pura phaka klaiman bo jing sale phalandu ore ji madao tu langdeng lamini sendang singba mo chabo contractor kicha slow jaba niklai dada ni shiksha lama thamo hoiba dukhu maini du ang mu mchidu ska phaiba sing gidma kamura sapslang bo ho jin habainde jauko eban sing balai ja dulitsi jauko eban de bade riamu ska bo contractor oni dus jini contractor ola jingla em shep jin duty naji jingla phuisa labuma contract dang shama dang rima ore dang lai khala bill ri amaulisni ska bo contractor ro sauna ebane go bada losmon wari sal tulai se dang dus kala do bo saibu saila phamu उन्हें आंगन दांग सोनांग दांग सोनांग सी इसका वो बुझिला या
ये पीएमजीएसवाई का हापुंग डिवीजन का अंदर में गिरता है। टोटल 6 स्कीम है, लेकिन फर्स्ट ये अच्छा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हम लोग मिला है रंकमन वारिसा, वो अच्छा काम किया है, सक्सेस हुआ है। और बाकी खाली 6 स्कीम नहीं था, सरकार ने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी और डॉक्टर हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा जी ने हाफलोंग डिवीज़न में 100 करोड़ जैसा ड्रॉप हो गया। कोई टेंडर नहीं डाला, कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मैंने ऐसा होके 100 करोड़ जैसा ड्रॉप हो गया, पैसा मैंने लैप्स हो गया। उसको फिर से हम लोग टेंडर करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
The CEM was accompanied by NCHAC Chairperson Ranu Langthasa, EM Nandita Gorosa and EM Ratan Jarambosa. Suraj Barman from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Public of Samilangso area have appealed upon the concerned department an immediate intervention of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for completion of PHE project in order to solve the decades-long problem of drinking water in the area. According to locals, the scheme for construction PHE was started in 1985 but could not be completed for reasons best known to officials and contractors, due to which local population have remained deprived of safe drinking water facility. Adding to this, 2 men employed in the project, Mohori Kiling and Hemari Rongpar, have passed away, resulting in complete abandonment of the project and deprivation of the people. Fed up of neglect, local population have appealed upon the KAAC and local MAC for immediate visit at the PHE project site and take measures for its completion and launching of its service for the social development and health benefit of local people and in the greater interest of the constituency. Sarpang Ringti reporting from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bokajan Block Congress Committee on Sunday observed Quit India Divas at PWD-IB, Sarihajan. The program was organized in pursuance of the instruction given by the Karbi Anglong District Congress President Khorsing Ingti. The program organized by the Bokajan Block Congress Committee was held at the Sarihajan PWD-IB at 10 a.m. to pay rich tribute to the freedom fighters of India. The event was led by Budhaswar Ingti and the purpose of the event was explained by Ranjit Terang and was attended by KADCC Vice President Chandan Patikar, ex-BLCC Chairman Lordson Inwar and Soltal Tiva, Sarsing Ingti and other Mandal Committee Presidents and Secretaries among others. Prior to the commencement of the event, the party members lighted candles in memory of the freedom fighters, followed by introduction of guests and members present at the event. Addressing the event, KADCC Vice President Chandan Patikar stated and explained the reasons as to why the Quit India Divas event in memory of great freedom fighters has been observed in the district. In addition to this, Bokajan Block Congress Committee President Budhaswar Ingti also recollected several notable events and history of the freedom fighters. Anantarang reporting from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic news, Assistant Sub-Inspector APRO and Senior Referee with Karbi Anglong Sports Association Jitan Taron has passed away yesterday. According to medical officers, Taron was stated to be undergoing treatment at Deephu Medical College and Hospital since the 7 months for various illnesses including liver ailment. His sudden demise has sent a pall of gloom among huge number of people as he has been a notable face in public. People close to late Taron stated that he was very social, sympathetic towards poor and people in want and has always been an ardent lover of sports and was involved in social activities. He was also key in arranging essential food items for families of Theso Ajurbe village and Rongchingri village during the complete nationwide lockdown period. Huge messages of condolences towards his families are pouring in across various platforms and many stated that the district has lost a very noble person and his loss would be felt for a long time in both social and sports fraternity. He has left behind his wife and 2 children and was stated to be 51 years at the time of his untimely demise here this morning. Bikram News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Stay safe and thanks for being watching Karbi Anglong Live.